Hi YouTube. So we're off to Stara and we're going on a supply run only, and it's just to bring up things that we need for the road for the future. So cupboards and things. Have a quick look back there. So that's what we're fetching up, and it should take us about, I'm hoping, under 4 hours along the road. And we'll show you a bit of the road as we go along. So this is just coming into Veliky Novgorod. There's the big sign. Easy to drive through. Quite a lot around Russia, not uncommon. Hello, so we've just arrived in Stara Russa and we're about to head to the port for the first time after winter. So we're almost at the plot. We're just running down the road now. See the frame for the first time after all this winter. So this is it. This is the plot after winter, and we'll have a look at the. So we're going to open the hut. We've got the keys. We're going to have a look inside. She's in there. She must be obeyed. He's in the car. And let's have a look around. Looks good so far. Everything's fine. The ground is dry. In actual fact, it's perfect weather for building, and we can't. Not this time. The grass is growing nicely, much better than we anticipated. So let's have a look. See if everything has in place. I've got to. I've forgotten how to these keys work. Alright, okay. One, and then another one down here. Let's have a look. Has any been eaten by mice? No, I don't think so. Everything looks cool. Everything is looking good. So, this is our hut that we will be staying in later. We're not staying this time, it's only a delivery. So everything looking good so far. There's obviously been a little bit of water ingress over the winter, I think, by the looks of it. Not much, but there's been some. And our mattress is on the wall. I'll show you how it works. We've got the mattress is on the wall to stop mice getting at it. And we've got our little tables, nothing here basically it's left as empty as it can be, so that if anybody is looking to do any bad deeds, then they can't. Well, there's nothing. It looks like there's nothing here. There is nothing here really. So our bed goes down. Our bed goes down there, kind of thing, on a carpet which is up there somewhere, and that's that. And we've got a cupboard there for our clothes and stuff, and we've tiny little kitchen here that's going to be expanded this year and what have you. So that's how it is. We've even got a mirror. Hello. And the solar panel is working still at 14 volts. That's been working all winter with the battery there, and it's running our security lights. I can't show you that how it works exactly, but it's up there. You can see it flashing on and off up there. Don't know if you can see, but it's lights are flashing on and off anyway. So I see the grass is starting to grow again. Oh, these are irises my wife planted last year actually. They're up, their irises are up. So that's the first flowers that we've planted, and they're all coming up. So beautiful. Let's have a look at the frame. So this is it, first look after winter, and nothing has been damaged. There is no Catastrophes, everything is standing exactly as it was. I've left it. Maybe some birds have had a bit of insulation out, but other than that, absolutely zilch. It's dry and everything is good. Everything is perfect here, and the redness has gone away now to a degree as the timber has dried out. Even with all that snow that was here, look, it's still perfectly dry and good, no problems at all, no mould, nothing, exactly as it was planned. Let's have a look around the other side. As you can see, absolutely no problems whatsoever. The winter did not affect the build whatsoever, other than us not building. There's still a bit of red from antiseptic that I sprayed on, still a bit lingering, but I did put a lot on. And in here, nothing, no problems in here. In fact, I thought I saw a little bit of sap coming out of the wood. Where was it? Don't know. I thought I did. But other than that, no mould has grown. Everything is solid. I'm very happy. Very happy indeed. So, there we have it, folks. The build is all good so far. No mould has grown. Nothing's fallen. Everything's solid. Everything's solid. And it's just waiting for the start, basically. And look out the bedroom. This would be the bedroom window. You can see we've got a lot of, I don't know if you can see, a lot of moles there. But other than that, the forest is fine. That's the Butovka over there. What have you? Everything is fine. Everything is absolutely fine. So folks, that's it. Everything's good. There's no damage done over the winter period. It's done nothing. My house hasn't nearly fallen down or anything like that. And so back to St. Petersburg now. Our supply run is completed, and we'll be back later to continue with the build at a later point.